A 4-year-old happily skips to her front door. You can see the wind blowing her blonde hair. Then, this happens. It's heart-stopping video. 4-year-old Madison Gardner from Lyndhurst, Ohio, opened her screen door and then went on the ride of her little life. And look, not only did she hang on to the door, she didn't even drop the phone she was holding. Wild March weather is hitting huge swaths of the USA, including today's snowstorm in the metropolitan area. And nowhere are the gusts more intense than at Mount Washington in New Hampshire, where the winds clocked in at more than 100 miles an hour. As for that little girl from Ohio, she'll never forget the day she learned how to fly.